So imagine for a moment that the universe is in a cold, empty vacuum, but a vast, invisible ocean of energy. We've been taught that the nothing is just that, nothing. But science tells a different story. Even at absolute zero, where all the heat is stripped away and molecular motion should stop, the water of reality still ripples. This ripple is zero-point energy. It is the Surgo Fluo, the fundamental, overflowing flux that sustains every single atom in your physical body. The math is staggering. Every cubic centimeter of empty space contains more potential energy than all the matter in the known universe. We don't create this energy. We simply tune into it. Think of it like a sail catching the wind. The wind was always there, howling through the cosmos. The control systems of the past simply made sure we forgot how to build the sail. The truth is the tragic gatekeepers of the old guard feared a world where energy is as infinite as the human spirit. Before we can sail, we must address the leak. In the old paradigm, we were taught to operate on a closed-loop system. Scarcity, burning fuel, throwing rocks at our problems to create heat. This is the essence of the Hurd Struggle. To solve Surgo Fluo, you must realize that you are an open system. Your consciousness is the bridge. When you stop seeing yourself as a battery that runs out and start seeing yourself as a local expression of this infinite field, the leak stops. You aren't losing energy to the world. You are the point where the world's energy emerges. By the dawn of the 21st century, the ivory towers of the obsolete began to crack. The math became undeniable. Dr. Sarfatti demonstrated that consciousness isn't some accidental byproduct of biology. It is a back reaction on the very fabric of spacetime. You aren't just in space. You are influencing its geometry. Then came the patents of Dr. Salvatore Pais for the US Navy, blueprints for what the fearful once called UFOs. These aren't magic. They are high-energy electromagnetic field generators. By vibrating a craft at extreme, coherent frequencies, Pais showed that we can engineer the local vacuum. These vessels don't push against the air like a bird flapping its wings. They move the space around themselves, and this is resonance engineering. The visitors we see in our skies aren't breaking the laws of physics. They are simply playing a higher note on the same instrument we've been holding all along. As we look back on the revelations of February 19th, 2026, we see that this wasn't just a breakthrough in transportation. It was the formal end of the age of scarcity. Walk with me through the Museum of Obsolete Control. Look at the rusted oil rigs and the sagging power lines. They look small now, don't they? Like toys from a child's tantrum. The deep state and the Collins elite, they weren't monsters. They were merely scared, clinging to a fading campfire because they couldn't see the sun rising behind them. When you understand that the vacuum is full, the herd mentality vanishes. You are a sovereign being. You don't need to wait for a government to give you zero-point energy. You are already immersed in it. Understand the science, raise your internal frequency. Stop resisting the old structures and simply turn up the volume of your own resonance until those brittle systems shatter from the sheer frequency of the truth. The stars have always been our brothers. Now we finally have the map. Welcome home. And if you enjoyed watching this, want to explore any more of reality co-creation or consciousness ascension, just hit me up, nogoodbreathing.com.